Hello guys, I am Sarthak. Guys, as you know that our technology is increasing day by day. So why not we also? So here I am in this video to tell you about how to make an app. Now guys, you will think that how can we make an app? So for that, you have to first go to your Google Chrome and type their code.org. Then you can see my last video in which I have tell you how to log in this app. Then you will see my this video to see how to make an app. So let's start a video. So guys, this is my app which I have made. Now let us see that how is it working. So if I will click here on Mercury, so see this page will come. Now let me click on here Mercury.
It is the closest planet to the Sun. It has no moon. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. During the day, the temperature of Mercury is 427 degrees Celsius, and when it is night, the temperature is minus 183 degrees Celsius. It is named after the mythical Roman god Mercury.
Wow, guys, look here the voice is also coming. So let me go here on the home page. Wow, see the home page is also coming. Now I want to know about Saturn. Now let me click here.
It is the most beautiful planet of our solar system. There are bright rings around its equator. These rings are made up of icy particles, dust, and gases. Saturn has 62 known moons.
Okay, now let me go to yes, our planet Earth.
The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. When seen from outer space, the Earth looks blue. It is due to the presence of water on its surface. Therefore, the Earth is also known as the watery planet or blue planet.
Wow, guys, now let us go on Mars.
It is the planet next to Earth in the solar system. It is named after the Roman god of war. It is also known as the red planet, which is because of the presence of iron oxide on its surface that gives it a reddish appearance. Its rotation period is almost similar to the Earth. Mars has two known moons, Phobos and Deimos.
So, guys, if you want to make this app, then you have to watch my this video. So, guys, for making our app, we have to first go to here create and then we will choose app lab on code.org. So see, when you will go on app lab, this first screen will come. This screen. Here is the screen one, and here when you will click on design, then see this page will come, and for new screen you have to click on this arrow button and then you will click on new screen. When you will click here, then see here is screen 2. So I am going on my screen 1 and click on here theme. This is default, so I am choosing one. So here I am taking this polar one, and now we will add a button to it. So for that, here can you see my mouse here? When you will click on button and drag it to here, then see button option will come. So here is the id button one, and here is the text. So now I am here paste here writing Mercury. Mercury. Here I have written Mercury, and here I will type here ID Mercury. You can here write any ID here. So now here it is Mercury, and now we will create some more buttons. So here I am creating them. So guys, as you can see, I have dragged here some more buttons, and see I have named them Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And so now what we will do is that if you want that it should be its its width should be more. So see here is the width option in px. So here is the arrow button. When you will click the upper arrow, then see its width gets more space. It's covering more space. Now see Venus, and now for the color of the text, what you will do is that your here is the text color. Now you have to choose a color from here, so I am choosing black color. So this is black. So now see, font color goes black, and for this background color, see, now I am choosing this blue one. So see, my background color of my button gets blue. Now wait, I am choosing, let's be red. So see, it is red. Yeah, this color is good, this green color. So now let's do in all buttons. So guys, as you can see, I have changed their background color and text color. And now see, what we'll do is that we will, if you want to change its font, then see, here is font family. Now I'm choosing here Arial. Then see, it gets changed. And if I will choose here Arial black, then see, its font get changed. Here I am using comic. So now, and if I want to make its font size bigger, then see, here is the font size. Here see, its font get bigger in size. And if I want it hidden, then see, it gets hidden, but I don't want it to be hidden. So let me do this with all of these buttons. So guys, now as you can see, I have changed it. Now if you want to add an image, so see, here I will drag this image button to here, and now here is coming a option image choose. So here when I will click here, then see, here I will click on here upload file, and then I will go on desktop and see, here I am having so many images. So here I am clicking on solar system, open, see, now file solar system.jpg successfully uploaded. When I will click here on, so guys, now see, here is my image. Now if I want its width should be more, so see, here I will click here, and now its width, the size of the image is getting bigger. So this much is fine. I will drag it here, and now I will choose here screen number 2. So here my screen 2, and here I am choosing ketchup and mustard. And now here I am going to text area and drag it to here. And now here you can, if you will add here any text, like here I am writing earth is a living planet. So see, here is also written. So like this, I can make some more screens, and from it add I will add this text area to them and a button. So let me do that. So now guys, let me do its font size some bigger. Yes. Now it is good. So guys, now as you can see here, I've made this screen. Here this is one image, this is the heading Mercury, and this is its definition, and this is a button for next page. So now what I want, that I want to create here one button from which we can go to home. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to image. Here I have choose, and now I'm choosing one image. So here I am having a image with this, see, here I have made this image. So see, now it come. Now let me do it with some small, and its length also. Okay, so now it is fine. So now see, now we will code. So for that, we are going to do, we are here, you you have to click on UI controls, and then drag here on event. So when you will see, it will come. So I'm going to my screen 1, and here I have named this button as Mercury, and see, this is the ID Mercury which I have told you. So here I'm going to select here Mercury. Here this is Mercury, and here when Mercury is clicked, then I will go down in UI controls and see here is written set screen. So we will drag it here. So when I will click on Mercury this button, then we will then it will show screen number 2. So now let's run it and see it is working or not. So here I am clicking on Mercury, then see this second screen come. And now what I want is that, let me go to screen 2. Now I want that if I will click on Mercury, then this definition and this page will come, and this button also. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this definition, and we will go down, and here I will do it as hidden and read only. So no one can change it, so no one can change it. And now I'm going to this next page, and I will also do it as hidden. Okay, so now as you can see, these both are hidden, and this one I'm not doing, and this id is Mercury. So Mercury button. So here I'm creating one more on event, and here I will choose Mercury button. Its name is Mercury button, and when Mercury button is clicked, then this ID is Mercury definition. So we will go down some and see here is written show element. When you will drag it here, so see here will be show element, and I want to show this its Mercury definition. So this is Mercury definition. So on event, when I will click on this button Mercury button, when click, then show element Mercury definition plus show element, and this page, and this is for screen 2. Its ID is for screen 3. So see, and now let's run it and check. So here I'm clicking on Mercury, then this page will come. When I will click on this button, then see these both come. So what you have to do is that you have to create like this in every slide. So now I will create for Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So let me create it. So guys, as you can see here, I have made 9 screens. So now let us now code. So here I am clicking on code. So see, this is our code. So let us run that how much we have covered. So here I'm clicking on run. Now when I will click Mercury, then it will show screen number 2, and then when I will click on this button Mercury, then it will show this element. So now let me do it for Venus. So here I am choosing on event. So when, what is its ID? Venus. So when Venus is clicked, then set screen means show screen. Which screen? Yeah, screen number 3. So see screen number 3. And now see what I'm doing is that here, see, I have named this one next planet Venus. So if you will click here, then you will go to Venus page, Venus screen. So for that, what I'm doing is that I'm here dragging on event, and then I will choose here what is its ID for screen 3. So guys, now I am choosing here for screen 3. So it uh, yeah, it is here for screen 3. And when this for screen 3 is clicked, then set screen number 3. So let us see that is it going right or not. So I am here clicking on Mercury, then this, okay, and then when I will click here, yes, so it is going right. So now what I am doing is that I am now going to make some more codes like this, and then when I will make it, then I will show you. So please wait. So guys, now I have do the coding. Now let us see that is it working or not. So now let's run it. So when I will click on Mercury and this, okay, and next planet Venus, then Venus, next planet Earth, Earth, next planet Mars, then Mars, next planet Jupiter, then Jupiter, next planet Saturn, then Saturn, then next planet Uranus. Wait, let me see. Here is the mistake. Yeah, it is Saturn. This one is button 12. Oh, here I have choose image 12. So here I will choose button 12. Yeah, it's here. So when button 12 is clicked, then next page, which is screen 8, Uranus will come. So now what I'm doing is that I am doing the coding for this. So here let me go to first screen, no, to second screen, and see here is this image. Now what I want that if you want to go like I'm running it, this program, and here I'm going to Mercury, and from here if you want to go to home, means this page, wait, means this page, then what you have to do. So here I'm going to my screen 2, and see this is its id is image 3. So what I am going to do is that, see now here, so now see here is on event Mercury button. So here I'm making one on event, and then what is its id, image 3. When image 3, when image 3 is clicked, then show us screen 1. Then here I'm choosing set screen 1. So now guys, see when I will run this program, when I will click on Mercury, then this, now see if I click here, then wow, this is my art screen 1. So let me do it for all the screens. So guys, now see I have done that for all the screen, and now what I want that, look, here I'm going to my screen 2. What I want that when I will click here on this Mercury, then this definition will come, but the speech for this definition will also come. Like if if here is if here is written it is the closest planet to the sun, then some voice will come which is saying it is the closest planet to the sun. So for that, what I want, what I'm doing is that I am going, yeah, here you can see play speech option. So see here is the Mercury button. This its ID is Mercury button. So when Mercury button is, when I will click on Mercury button, then this definition will come, and when I will click on this Mercury button, then the speech will also come. So here I am dragging this speech to here, play speech, and now what I'm doing is that I'm going to design. Here I have choose this one, and now I am copying this. It is the closest planet to the earth, to the sun. This paragraph I am copying, and now I am going to my code, and see here is written female and male. So here I want it to be male and in English, and here is written hello world. So here I am deleting it, and now here I am pasting which I have copy. So now let us see that is it working or not. I am running the program. Then I'll click on Mercury.
It is the closest planet to the sun. It has no moon. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun. During the day, the temperature of Mercury is 427 degrees Celsius, and when it is night, the temperature is minus 183 degrees Celsius. It is named after the mythical Roman god Mercury.
So see here, I think so that you have listened some low voice, but now I can't do that. So this is was the speech. So you can also play it in every of your screen. So see, when I will click on Mercury, then the speech will also come. So this is very good for the viewer who is listening, and it is also very good for the pronunciation. And you can choose the female option also from there. So this was my this app, and now let me first do the coding for that play speech in every screen, then I will show it to you. So guys, now as you can see, I have done my code, and I have done the speech from alternative voice. Like if the Mercury's definition is saying a female, then the Venus definition will a will male voice will come. So now let us see that how can we share it to our friends. So here, first of all, I will click here on rename, and I'm naming this project as, and I am renaming it as a adventure to adventure to space. Not a, it will be an adventure to space. Now I will save it, and for sharing, first of all, you will do it as remix. Okay, so now it is loading. So guys, for sharing your app, what you have to do is that you have to just click here on share. But first of all, you have to do it as remix. So I have done it as remix. Now I will share it, and this is the link. So you will CTR plus C copy it, and then you will open a new tab here. So guys, what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab in Google Chrome, and here you have to paste that link. So let me enter it. So it is loading. So as you can see here, my first page come. So now let me see on Mercury.
It is the closest planet to the sun. It has no moon. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun. During the day, the temperature of Mercury is 427 degrees Celsius, and when it is night, the temperature is minus 183 degrees Celsius. It is named after the mythical Roman god Mercury.
Now next planet, Venus.
It is the brightest and hottest planet of the solar system. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is the second planet from the Sun. Its size is nearly equal to that of the Earth. Therefore, it is also known as the Earth's twin. Like Mercury, it is also has no moon.
Now let me check that this home page is working or not. So let me click on here. Yeah, it is working. Yes. Earth.
The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. When seen from outer space, the Earth looks blue. It is due to the presence of water on its surface. Therefore, the Earth is also known as the watery planet or blue planet.
Next planet, Mars.
It is the planet next to Earth in the solar system. It is named after the Roman god of war. It is also known as the red planet, which is because of the presence of iron oxide on its surface that gives it a reddish appearance. Its rotation period is almost similar to the Earth. Mars has two known moons, Photos and Deimos.
Now, homepage. Yeah, Jupiter.
It is the largest planet of the solar system. A large part of it is made up of gaseous material. It is named after the mythical Roman god Jupiter. It has 79 known moons revolving around it. Therefore, it is also known as mini solar system.
Next planet, Saturn.
It is the most beautiful planet of our solar system. There are bright rings around its equator. These rings are made up of icy particles, dust, and gases. Saturn has 62 known moons.
Next planet, Uranus.
It is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is named after the mythical Greek god of sky. Like Saturn, it also has rings around it. It has 27 known moons so far. A large part of it is made up of ice. Therefore, it is also known as the ice giant.
It is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is named after the mythical god of sea. It is 17 times the mass of the Earth. It has 14 known moons.
So this is the last page of this app. Now let us go to home. So our home screen will come. So guys, I thought that you should like my this video. If yes, then please like it and subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a
Thank
nice
you
day.
guys. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.